We're excited. The latest addition to the backyard is a pizza oven. We can't wait to set it up. We're going to show you just how easy it is to set up and cure the oven. So we have the oven resting on the stand that you can get from Authentic Pizza Ovens. And inside of it, we have the metal rack, and we put pieces of oak that are kind of on the smaller side on top of the metal bar and underneath it. And then you can just light it with either a match, or it's actually easier to use a propane torch. So Tyler's going to keep filling this up, and then we'll show you what it looks like once we light it.
So you can get a propane torch kit at Home Depot for about 20 bucks, and this will be easy.
It's only 20 bucks. That's not bad. Way easier than using a match. And you're going to be building a fire like this basically every time you use the oven, so it's worth it. So it's looking good. And now for the next 2 to 3 hours, we're just going to let this fire come up to about 200 degrees. It's in Celsius. And that's all you need to do to cure the oven and have it ready to go. You need something? Do you want some pizza?